Hello, this is the midterm key for summer 25-0465, provided to assist you in preparing for the very important comprehensive final exam. Number one, you should draw the rectangle and realize that 6x is 42. That means that x is 7, and I ask you for the area, so 7 times 14 is 98 square inches. Number two, you're to find the mean and median. If you add the numbers together and divide by the number that you have of 25, you get a mean of 55.32. Now you have to sort the data to find the median. I did it from smallest to largest, and you say 25 plus 1 is 26, divided by 2 is 13. You can count down, and the 13th number is 59, so the median is 59. Number three, when you draw the picture, this is a Pythagorean theorem problem with 10 being the height. The diagonal is 19. It's a right triangle, so x squared plus 10 squared is equal to 19 squared. When you solve for x, you get the square root of 261, which is to the nearest tenth of an inch. As I ask, is 16.2 inches. Here you had to add up the rows and columns. In part A, I'm asking what percentage of those surveyed who did not finish high school are employed, and so you're going to take the 21,839 number as the denominator. Your numerator is 9607, and that's going to be 44%. The other question was, what percentage of those total in the survey are employed? Well, the grand total was 220,813, and so you take the employed row, and that adds up to 137,704. You divide the two numbers and you get to the nearest percent, 62%. Question 5, 60 cookies is aligned with 4 eggs. So that means 3 eggs will give you 45 cookies. That's the answer to number B. The answer to number A was 4 eggs corresponds to 2 cups of flour. That means 3 eggs is going to be, you take half the number of eggs for cups of flour, and so that's 3/2 cups of flour. Here you were talking about arithmetic sequences. There you're always subtracting the same number each time. So A5 is going to be minus 140. You're subtracting 56 each time. The geometric series, you're dividing by 3 each time. So the fourth term is going to be 28/9. Here Toby's picking up the bill. You add up the bill. For the liquor, it's $56. And then you have to multiply the taxes because you're doing one on top of the other. You get 1.448 and so on and so forth. So you take that multiplier times the 56 and you get 8109, or you could have rounded, I suppose, to 8110. Number 8, you had to divide the 56 by 8 first, giving you 7. So when you do the calculation, you do the order of operations in the denominator as well. You get 5/20, and in lowest terms is 1/4. Number 9, you cut 12-foot long thing into 2 pieces where one piece is 2 feet shorter than the other. The answers are 5 and 7. Here, 75% of the total distance is 220 miles. So to solve for that, x is equal to 220 divided by 0.75. I said to the nearest mile, so that would be 293 miles as the answer. Number 11, you take 23.7 miles per gallon times those numbers of gallons per liter times kilometers per mile. Those are the conversion factors that you have, and you multiply those together, and rounding as I ask, this is 10.1 kilometers per liter. Here you multiply all the way through by, let's see, by 6, and you do that on both sides, and that clears the fraction. This should have been 12 up here. 2. This number shouldn't have been 2, it's 12. I changed it down here when I multiplied through. So this number is really 12. You get 11, you subtract, the answer is 1/4. Here, you evaluate using properties of exponents, you get negative 41/36. Here you use the rules of exponents and you simplify and you get 25/3 c to the 8th power. Here you simplify using the rules of exponents, you get minus 32 b to the 5th divided by a to the 30th power. And on number 16, simplifying, the easiest thing to do is do inside parentheses first. You get 4x to the 5 to the minus 2. You turn it upside down and you square both factors. You get 1/16x to the 10th. That's the key. I hope it is useful as you prepare for the most important comprehensive midterm. As you know, I am offering a home stretch incentive where I will grade, if you take the comprehensive final, you have to take it in order to qualify for this, I will give you a letter grade no lower than you earn on the comprehensive final exam. Quite a deal, so prepare well. Hope this finds you well, and I will see you soon on Blackboard, I guess.